Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm Doug Roarin, and we're going to look at this beautiful little spring ephemeral. Today is the first day of spring, and this is actually a native plant. It's Cardamine douglassii, Southern Lady. Southern Lady is a Plant Delights Nursery selection, and Cardamine douglassii actually is a local native, native to a good part of the Northeast. And believe it or not, it's the same family as mustard greens and cabbages and stuff, the family that used to be known as the cruciferae, for the four petals that sort of form a crucifix. It's a cloudy day and just rained a little bit, and the flowers aren't fully open, but we're still making a great show. And because it's a member of that family, it's not something that herbivores in the garden tend to eat. And I said it's a spring ephemeral, and by which I mean it's in full bloom. It was dormant all summer, and this is its foliage, and then it'll go dormant. Oh, by late spring, it's already dormant and disappears for the summer. I do not know, this plant was not named for me. I wonder if it was named for David Douglas, the Scottish botanist who explored in this country and for which the Douglas fir is named. But a great little, super easy native spring ephemeral. And right next to it is another Plant Delights Nursery introduction. This is the fern-leafed bleeding heart, Dicentra eximia. And here in the south, most of the beautiful garden selections of Dicentra eximia do not persist for long at all in the garden. But this is from a wild population. Dolly Sods, I think Dolly Sods location in Tennessee maybe, but this selection just thrives for us. This is its first bloom of the year, but it'll go on pretty much all through the growing season up until frost. And again, we are growing these out in full sun, but Dicentra eximia also does well in light shade. So two great spring blooming, well, spring through summer when it comes to the Dicentra, native plants for your garden. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.